What if you could manufacture anything you want, anywhere in the world? We originally started as undergraduate students here at UC San Diego out of the Envision Maker Studio. We were a bunch of students that were just kind of building 3D printers for fun, but were recognized by a recently retired Marine that introduced us to a group of Marines out of Camp Pendleton that were struggling to implement 3D printing. And from that, we saw that there was a great need for a 3D printer that was built from the ground up that could manufacture these parts where they were needed most. When it comes to these field environments, a part can mean the difference between life and death. Our 3D printer, Field Fab, helps us enable manufacturing at the very edge of the supply chain. We have proven the ability to manufacture those critical components from anywhere from a -40-degree environment to 120, 150-degree environments, all ranges of humidity, pressure, and even the back of vehicles. We're able to not only survive in an environment, but thrive in an environment. This 3D printer is already being used in ways that is helping to save lives. UC San Diego has been committed to help serve alongside our warfighters and generate and transfer technology that enables our national security in a way that I haven't seen in any other university that we've worked with. I come from a family of service members. I thought I was going to wear the uniform, but due to health issues, I was unable to. So this is how I serve in a new way, another way.